To create water pipes in Sweet Home 3D, simply drag a cylinder into your plan, then resize and color it to match your plumbing layout. Once you added the cylinder, just double-click it, and in this dialog box, you can make some modifications. For example, rotate it by 90 degrees if you need a horizontal pipe. Set the width and the depth to define the pipe diameter. Also, set the height to define the pipe length. Next, change the pipe color. Select Color and click the Color Picker button. After the changes, click OK twice. Now move the pipe into its final position. For free moving and rotating, just hold down the Alt key or turn off the magnetism tool in the toolbar. If you want to place pipes inside the wall, just create a new pipe and move it inside the wall. If you can do this, just hold down the Alt key again or turn off the magnetism tool. At this point, you can see the pipe because it's inside the wall. For better visibility, it's recommended to make the wall semi-transparent. To do this, just go to the top menu, click 3D View, and select Modify 3D View. In this dialog box, adjust the wall transparency slider. Then click OK. Now you can modify the position of the pipe. Use these corner handles or edit the coordinates in the modification dialog box. To open it, just double-click the pipe or right-click it and select Modify Furniture. It's good to know that the connections won't be through pipe fittings, but for most planning purposes, simply joining the ends of the cylinders is sufficient. If you need more advanced plumbing components, download the Sweet Home 3D plumbing library. The link is available in the description. You can import it as a standard furniture library. After the import, a new plumbing folder will appear in the furniture catalog. Simply drag and drop them to your plan like any other furniture item. You can connect these imported elements to build more detailed plumbing layouts. Just move and join the different pipes and fittings. You can also modify the colors of multiple components at the same time. Just select the components, right-click, and choose Modify Furniture. In this dialog box, select Color and apply a same color to them. Then click OK twice.